guys, it's Carrie, Sammy, Joe show.
We're camping, so we look like crap.
Yeah, so. Yeah, get all choked up. Anyway, so we're camping in the mountains this week.
And we have special guests today.
Yeah, woohoo! It's our friends, Megan,
Megan,
and Jackie.
Jackie.
Woo!
Woo!
They've introed us to a lot of music today, like
Walk through hell.
all time, yeah, intro. A lot of good bands like Jacob's Mannequin, All Time. Who else?
All Time Low.
Mayday Parade. Who are those people that sing at the concert?
Every Avenue.
Every Avenue. Pretty good people. So,
Check them all out.
yeah, check them all out. They're pretty good. So, Jakey plays guitar.
Oh, that's why I'm holding this.
Really?
Now I get it. My
So,
Yeah, we're gonna do a song.
the improv song. Okay.
Wait, before we go, improv song is an improv song. Make up your own lyrics.
Like literally, we're doing this right on the spot.
Okay, go ahead.
There's a spot right here, and that one where she's sitting.
Okay.
So kind of two spots. Four,
Where
actually.
I'm sitting. Yeah.
Oh, check out my website too.
What is
What is your?
purevolume.com/silence-sucks.
Now let
Oh,
me say that
silence.
without her little lisp. purevolume.com/silence-sucks. Got it? Okay.
Your voices are ugly.
I know. Alright, ready?
Are you ready? We're sitting in the trailer, Sammy's moving around, and it's finally stopped raining so I can see the ground. These guys won't jump in, it's so annoying. Okay. So yesterday, I was feeling pretty blue because we couldn't find the cute boy. He was on site 122. Someone jump in.
Okay.
Go.
This is a really boring day. Something, but we just sit here anyway. Go on, Jackie, take it away. You do the meow. Do the now one.
I got one. I think a lot of people watch this stupid show, but
Hey!
the girls are so weird, so why they all watch it, I will never know.
Totally diss our show.
I'm just kidding, they are the best. Something wrong. I'll put it to the test.
Yeah.
It's better than all the rest. Improv song.
Sing
Sing along.
Sing off tune. Let's break into our other one.
Let's talk about our number 2. Whoa! Okay, this one. I like this
Sammy Joe. Drinking over there like you're some kind of, I don't even know.
one. I thought you were gonna say something else.
So did I. Kara. What are you doing all the way over there? I don't know what I'm even not there.
Thanks, Jackie.
I would like to say hello to everyone watching this. Jake went out and I think he caught a fish. Right?
Yeah.
We can sit here playing this all night because I don't have a life.
Alright, we gotta end it soon.
Okay.
Goodbye, I'll see you soon. I hope everyone enjoys June's gone.
This lovely tune.
Oh, this is lovely. Everyone together. Ready? 1, 2.
Yes, these are our friends.
Oh, we love them, don't we? So, obviously, it's a camping trip, and we're really, really bored. So we're singing the improv song,
Woo!
and we'll listen to
What the heck?
I can't even grab it. So, that's our show.
Yep.
All right. Ciao, guys.
Bye! Okay, you can turn